Hello everyone, today we will talk about the relationship between the operations and the commands. Now as you can see we have 33 commands here and we have none there because they are all using the parents operations commands. So we mentioned it before, we have a parent and a child relationship between them. So let's try something here. Let's go to format operation start. As you can see, so this means that they are all using their parent operations at format operation start. But I want in the simultaneous operation the format operation start with another maybe a word here like simultaneous. I am just writing it here to see that simultaneous operation will start and generate it. So now I'm expecting that this simultaneous operation will be shown in my NC program in only the operation start in the simultaneous or angle head operation, not all of them. So let's compare the first one and the second one. See, there are 8 differences, and when I press Ctrl and F button and write operation, I am seeing the operation names in my NC program, but not all of them are having the simultaneous operation command which I wrote. So I am searching for simultaneous now. So you can see the simultaneous operation line which I wrote. There are 8 simultaneous operations in format operation start in simultaneous or angle head operation. So as you can see, the other operations are not using simultaneous operation command. They are using the command of their parent operation. You can see that, for example, there is an operation start and we will just right click on it and go to command. And as you can see, it's in this parent operation and at format operation start command. Okay, so I press to Ctrl and F button here and I write operation. And let's right click this one and go to command. As you can see, it's still in the parent command. Let's try it one more time with simultaneous. And there is an operation start here. So let's go to command. As you can see, it's in simultaneous or angle head operation. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and follow me for more. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.